Good morning, everyone. I'm Nancy from Varanasi. So, for my experience, I will tell you in brief, okay? Because I have lots of things to say. I remember my first day when I came for visiting this institute, and I met with Ram Krishna sir. And that time I was very nervous, and I just sit in the institute and sir asked me some basic questions like where are you from, what is your name, what are your education. So that day I'm not able to say anything. Like I'm just crying in my inner way. Like I am not able to say anything. But and then after 1 hour of conversation, I felt so confident. Like yeah, I can do this. Later when I leave the institute and sir told me ki some of sir take your class. That time I felt oh my god, who will the sir, like I am comfortable with Ram Krishna sir, and again any other sir is came, and how can I manage? So my happiness is vanish in a 1 second, like oh my god, what is this? Because in a 1 hour I am so confident, so comfortable with Ram Krishna sir. When and then I continue my, like I remember my first day, first class, like we had to give a intro for ourselves, like I'm comfortable. And then I, in my first class when I came in my house, I called my in-laws, and I just Mummy, like I'm able to speak English. I felt so confident. Like she is no Hindi, she is not able to speak in English, and but I am just fulfilled. Like oh, I can speak, I can think about English. I felt so happy. My in-laws also felt so happy. Wow, great, good. And I started speaking English day by day. And after 10 days, like I met with his friend, like some of his friend, my husband, some of husband's friend, and I talked with her like in English, like what about Modi, some news, like about some news, and in English. So she just surprised, and when she after 10 or 5 days, after 2 or 3 days, she asked some institute, English institute, about her brother. So Saurabh suggests her like this is the institute, and then Nancy also take class there. So she just surprised and told him, oh my god, तभी मैं सोची कि how anyone can speak English in a 10 days reading newspaper, पढ़ने से. So he just enjoy, just laughing. Oh my god! Because I told her that I am daily reading newspaper, English newspaper, so that's why I am able to speak English. I didn't told her like I am joining an institute. But Saurabh told her, so she surprised. Oh my god! मैं भी सोची कि अभी तक मुझे तो नहीं आया newspaper पढ़ के. So this is my journey, and then day by day I just improve. I just feel confidence, and now whenever I went, I respond doctor to in English, because before in this institute, when doctor or any shopkeepers ask any question from me, I just silent. My husband used to answer all the person. But nowadays I am able. He just said, and I talked with doctor. I told her like about my eye, matlab anything what I have problem. So I'm able. Someone came in my house, like some of Telugu friend came, knocked my door, and she told me like this is the prasadam from Shravan Mas. So now before the institute, I was like okay, thank you, bye. I was like that, but I just continue with conversation. Oh, but for us, Shravan Masam is 10 days before. Please come sit. And are you working? Not this that. Like I take almost 10 minutes for a conversation. But before the institute, okay, thank you. I want to speak. I want to connect with them. But just for hesitation, just for not knowledge about English, I just back out. Because I am a very talkative person, so I want to connect with them. but because of fear of English, I'm not continue. I just back out. But nowadays I'm able. Like some of advertisement boy call me, okay, hi, hello, okay, call me later. I never told me I'm not interested in this product and these things. Okay, call me later. And I'm able to receive the call. So this is the difference. And then I remember that day when sir organized a group presentation. Okay, so that time like camera is front of us and we have to make a story, we have to perform the story. I felt so nervous that time, but when I stand here and start, then start, like start, then start. So it's give me a more confidence. Like nowadays, what I am because of this institute. This is my journey in this institute. I met many friends here. I always wanted to connect with them. I always wanted to go with them, like in a group. Like when someone not able, I just make a group for a conversation. We will discuss about anything in this group. Like our writing also can be improved. So this is the journey, and yeah. And I just forgot the things after Ram Krishna sir. I met with Ram Mohan sir, and then after 1 day I just comfortable. Like oh okay, and I love the way he taught us. Like I know the tenses, but I don't have knowledge about where should I put have, has, like where is this exact sentence. But from the guidance of or the direction of sir, he just like in a very simple way he just try to understand our mind ki what they feel, what they have problem, what they are problem. So he understand all the problem what we have. So first as a doctor he understand our problem, then try to resolve our problem. So thank you so much sir for this. Like this is my dream for speaking English, and this is complete. Like this is my dream to speak in English, and now I feel so confident, so thankful. And I can say like any Guru Purnima, I want to respect some guru, like they all are participate in my life, but for this time and for this age, like I can say yeah, they are my guru, and I celebrate all year Guru Purnima from remember this institute. Like this is not that's not a lecture. This is my emotion, like what I feel today. Like I feel so confident, and I will celebrate Guru Purnima from this 2 months. मतलब इसके बाद अब after this 2 months. So thank you so much sir for giving me confidence, overcome my hesitation, giving me good direction to what you should do. And you are good in this, you can go in this field, you have to learn about this. So thank you so much sir, thank you.